Linked Helper works with LinkedIn, but how exactly? Do you need a paid LinkedIn subscription to use it, or is it a replacement for Sales Navigator? Let's clear that up. First, Linked Helper is a standalone automation tool. It doesn't replace LinkedIn Sales Navigator Recruiter, but it works on top of them. Think of it as an assistant that automates what you already can do manually on LinkedIn. Linked Helper is your choice if you want to automate your outreach and you're looking for a scalable solution that allows you to manage multiple LinkedIn accounts and also integrates with external tools. So what can Linked Helper do? Everything Linked Helper does is something you could do manually, but it saves you time. That means collecting leads from search groups or posts, sending connection requests and following up automatically, and engaging with leads, liking their posts, endorsing skills, and more. If you can visit a profile or message someone, Linked Helper can automate it for you. Some users ask, do I need Sales Navigator to work with Linked Helper? Well, the short answer is no. The longer, Linked Helper works with both free and paid LinkedIn accounts, so you're good to go no matter what version you're using. Next up, let's clear a common misconception. Does Sales Navigator automate LinkedIn, or is Linked Helper a substitution for Sales Navigator? No, Sales Navigator doesn't automate anything, and here's where Linked Helper comes in. Ultimately, while Sales Navigator provides advanced searches, emails, and CRM-like functionalities, Linked Helper can substitute many of these features through tagging and organizing leads in lists, exporting data, campaign management, and more. And often it turns out to be a better, flexible, and more cost-effective alternative. Plus, you have powerful automation, of course. What Linked Helper can't do? Well, it doesn't create LinkedIn accounts, bypass restrictions, or give access to some hidden data. It doesn't hack LinkedIn. It follows the same rules and limits as you would. So Linked Helper isn't a LinkedIn's replacement, but an automation layer that helps you get more things done and faster. Want to see Linked Helper in action? Check out our other tutorials and see you in the next one.